Number 1, June 2018. OCR High School uses a computer system to store data about students' conduct. The system records good conduct as a positive number and poor conduct as a negative number. A true or false value is also used to record whether or not a letter has been sent home about each incident. I would just read this statement a couple of times. An example of the data held in this system is shown below in Figure 1. So Figure 1 is a table and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns or 4 fields. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows or 4 records. And the columns or the fields are student name, detail, points, letter sent. So it asks, state the most appropriate data type used to store each of the following items of data. Student name. So what do we have in the student name column? Christy or Kirsty, Byron, Graham, Marion. So you should know what your data types are. And these are strings. So we put string there. Next, what we have is points. And the points column, we have -2, 1, 2, -3. So these are integers. And an integer, remember, is a whole number. Just to go back to string, remember a string is a group of characters. Letter sent. Well, in letter sent, we have false or true. So that data type is a Boolean. Right. Part B. The data shown above in Figure 1 is stored in a database called conduct. Write, or rather database table called conduct. So this table here is called conduct. Write a SQL statement to select the student name field for all records that have negative points. So it would be select, and we are selecting student name, from, and the name of the table is conduct, and then we have a filter clause where points, the less than, and it's negative, so it should be less than 0. So here is your SQL statement. It says state a wildcard that can be used in SQL to show all fields from a table. Now, if you were to have the SQL statement to show all fields from the above table conduct, you'd write select star from conduct. And the wildcard is the star symbols. So here, this is the wildcard star. And I've just put this here, select star from conduct, so you know the context of this wildcard. Now you have here C. A single record from this database table is read into a program that uses an array with the identifier student data. An example of this array is shown below. So student data, that's the array name, equals, and here we have Kirsty, homework forgotten, -2, false. Here we have that corresponding to that first row. And it says the array is 0 based, so student data 0 holds the value Kirsty. So if the array is 0 based and student data 0 holds the value Kirsty. So write an algorithm that will identify whether the data in the student data array shows that a letter has been sent home or not for the student. The algorithm should then output either sent if a letter has been sent or not sent if it's not been sent. So if we refer to our student data here, if I write this, if, and Kirsty is in index 0, homework forgotten is in index 1, -2 is in index 2, and false is in index 3. And we are interested in false, which is in index 3. So what I would write here is if student data, and it's the index 3, is equal to true, then, and here we will have, and if I just drag this across, oops, it's not working, is it? Okay, then I print, if it's true, then the letter was sent, so I will print sent. Else, I would put print not sent. And because we're doing pseudocode, and we'll just close that if statement there with an end if. So here, that's what we've got here. So if student data 3, that means if the value in index 3 is true, then the letter has been sent, so print sent. Else, obviously, the value is false, so you print not sent because the letter has not been sent. And then here we will close the if statement with an end if. So that's it.